Hey everyone, this is Rob with InVideo, and today we'll see how you can add automated text-to-speech voiceover. To add an automated text-to-speech voiceover, please set the seeker position on the basic timeline from wherever you'd want the voiceover to start from. Then, select the option VoiceOver and select Automated Text-to-Speech. After that, you'll get an option on the left panel to enter the text for which you want the voice to be generated. You can then copy and paste or type in your text. Then, select the language and the voice from the options provided in the menu. Then click on Generate VoiceOver and then preview the voiceover once it's generated.
Hello, and thank you for watching my video.
All that needs to be done now is click on Add VO to Scene, and the voiceover will get added from the position of the seeker in the video.
Hello, and thank you for watching my video.
And that's how you add automated text-to-speech voiceover. If you want to learn more about how you can make the most of InVideo, or if you have any other questions, check out our help page at help.invideo.io.